Good morning, blind sniper. I've been here again with my Bergara, doing some tests on it. I put some these extensions on the end of my mag to make them where they wouldn't be so hard to pull out. I even went ahead and put them on the BX1s as well as the Bergara magazine, because I did have mine stick a little bit one time, the BX1 in the Bergara. But after shooting it so much today, it looks like it's broke in, because now I can snap them in and it just comes right, they go right in easy. Usually it was hard to get in there. You had to keep moving over here on this whale's tail to get it to click in. But now, let's see, right here, all I did was just took it and wiggled it a little bit, and see, it snaps right in, no problem. So maybe it just needs to be worked in a little bit. Still like the extensions though, because it's not going to fall out. So I need it to pull it out. I'm trying to do it with one hand here. There we go. So I still need to pull it out. But it'll snap in easy now. Maybe it'll start falling out later on when it wears in a little bit. But I did put a muzzle brake on this gun to keep it from bouncing, to hold target a little better. It don't make it really that loud either. It's not nothing I have to have earplugs for. I do have my Victor scope on here, the Sentinel. It's the one with the, I believe it's the Sentinel. It's the Victor Sentinel, I think. Let me look here, just to make sure. I got so many Victors. No, this is not the Sentinel. This here is the, hold on, there it is. I can't read it upside down. Hopefully y'all can read it. I can't read it upside down. But anyway, that's the scope I got on here. I've been shooting it on about a 30. I've tried everything from subsonic to high velocity all over. These two here were my very best, right here. Never shot this one right here before until today. And it groups like you would not believe. But it's a 45 grain at 970 FPS, called Suppressor 22 LR. I'm going to get a case of that, a whole brick of that probably, at least a brick. I'm going to get a brick of this too. Contact from Ely. It's cheap. It's not that much. I think they're about $8 or $10 a box, something like that. I'm going to get me a brick of that too. But let me tell you something. These here were okay. Now, standard, it done okay. It really wasn't that great. Personal defense, man, that there break the sound barrier. That's really got a snap to it. For it not to be that much of a velocity. It says 170, but buddy, it cracks the sound barrier at 170. But it groups pretty decent. All these over here done decent, which was the Federal Premium. Target, I don't know. I didn't have but 5 bullets, so I need to do target again. I'm gonna put that over here in this stack, because I need to do it again. And these here done real good. Match ammo, blazer, this long rifle blazer, it done real good. And this right here, this Gimtech, you won't find it nowhere. If you do, you'll pay arm and leg for it, because I let them got some at cheap, because I really don't think they knew what they had. Because it's made by CCI, but CCI don't make it no more. They quit years ago, many years ago. But I think they had 7 boxes left of this, and I bought all 7 of them for like $3 or something a box. Last time I looked them up, they were about 15 to 20 something dollars at other places. But one thing I will tell y'all about this gun, I'm not changing nothing else. This is it. This is what I'm going with. What you see right here, I'm not adding no weights to it. It's just good like it is. I'm gonna leave the brake on here. I might change and go with a little lighter scope on here, because I don't need that big of a magnification for this rifle here. I might take this off, put on my hunting rifles this year, and replace this with something different. That's a maybe. And then again, I might just leave it, because right now it's perfect. I mean, I'm hitting bullseye with small groups. And I'm going to take you to the target to see it. But all this was okay ammo, all this over here, and all this shot great, fantastic. But one thing I want to tell you, about slipped up and didn't tell you, mine jumps all over the place, sorry about that. These shells shot the best in the Bergara clip. Yes sir, that one right there. I had to modify it to get this extender on there because the extender didn't fit because of the way the bottom plate's made on this thing. I done it with a pocket knife and a grinder, so it's not the best in the world. The next one I do, I'm gonna do it, right, take my time. But this one right here is still functionable, no problems. It's just the plate ain't as tight on the bottom as I want it to be. But the BX3s, I'm glad I got some guns that use them because they don't shoot as well in this gun. And I'm telling you, they say clip shouldn't matter. Clip shouldn't matter. Clip matters. I done seen it myself, and I'm gonna take it down here and show you the difference in it. And they were shot back to back. All right, we'll go down here to the 50. We had a bad storm last night, people. Look at all these M's that's down. I got to get my tail out here and get all this stuff up. I hear a man working on his yard all morning long. But North Carolina caught the devil. This is Anson County in North Carolina. I live in a little town called Morven, a little country town. Most of the farmers out here, but we have been having scorchers for God knows how long. We've been burning up. See, my garden's gone. It's just dead. But it's been so hot I can't even put my deck back on high. This massive limb come down out of this tree right here. Look, a storm getting ready to come back. They said it's supposed to rain again today. Look at that massive limb right there. Come down, probably out of this tree here, which is typical because this is a blessed old sweet gum tree. Sweet gum, their timber just ain't that good. I need to get it up before the next storm hits though. All right, right here. Federal. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shots with Federal. That was out of the BX1. The Ruger 1022 clip. Now, not the gun, the clip. And right here was the same shots. No, excuse me, right here. Out of the out of the Bergara. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that group. And look at that group. That's ridiculous. Back to back. The Bergara Magnum clip, when I looked it up, they said they made it tight for that reason. Because everybody been fussing about how tight it is. They said use the BX1 to put in there to loosen it up. Well, it does loosen it up, and they'll fall right out. But you don't get as good shots as you do when you use the Bergara clip. Bergara clip, look at that right there. I can't remember which one of these were. This here, I know for a fact, was Subsonic from CCI. All that, that was 10 shots. This was 10 shots by another group of what I'm going to keep. This was another 10 shots, the ones I said was okay. 10 shots, another I said was okay. I wanted to show you what I got. Here it is. You see these right here? Right here? One hole right here. Don't count, don't look at these guys. I just stuck this sticker over top of all that. That's that contact. That's that contact. That's 10 shots right there in that contact. But it's an Ely. But like I said, it's cheap. This one right here was contact. Tight, one hole. Uh-oh, here comes the rain. I hear it coming through the woods. Anyway, that's Blind Sniper, who's through. He's going in the house. He got to get this gun in the house with all this rain going on to get my stuff up. So I'll talk to all of you later. God love you. God bless you. Subscribe. Here it is. It's raining now. Subscribe, people. Like. Do what you got to do. Get me out there. Everybody needs to know about this Bergara clip, or Magnum, or magazine, rather. All right. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.